Hey guys, it's Janessa. Today we're going to take a deeper look into the quality of the materials of this bird box. And I'm going to tell you first impression. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Is there anything better than the smell of cedar? I mean, it's just awesome. Okay, so I can already tell you I love that each piece of wood is actually individually labeled. So far these are all, oh my gosh, they smell so good. These are all individually labeled, solid pieces of wood. I do appreciate that there are pilot holes already drilled in, which is great. Okay. All right. Let's see how long this takes me to put it together. All right, so this is what 12 minutes of assembly looks like. This was really easy to assemble. I appreciated all of these pilot holes being here. I did use my electric screwdriver because I refused to do anything by hand. So that would have taken a little bit longer, but the steps were super easy. Like, this didn't come in 50 parts, but they were clear. They were in English. I really appreciate that. Yeah, so this little stand for the owl, you can just, whoop, you might need to loosen these up a little bit. Let's see. Okay. You could just lift this up and you can put these little shavings. It comes with its own little redwood shavings. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Yes. Oh, it smells wonderful. Yep. So we're just going to put this here. Get a nice little home for them. Okay, and it comes with two, so you're ready to like clean it out the next time. But yeah, you just close this right up. Close that down so they don't fall out. But overall, this is really incredible. I cannot wait to put this outside in my tree. It's very well made, all out of cedar. If you're looking for a nice little bird box for outside, I highly recommend this version.